I'm going to make myself a treat. I gotta find some clean snow. Okay, in here I have some special stuff. Pour that on. There we go, look at that. Stir that up. It's clean snow and condensed milk. This is vegan condensed milk that I made last night, but you can use regular condensed milk, and it just tastes like ice cream. It's a fun treat for you to do with your kids. That is so good. I'm going to enjoy the rest of my picnic. Finish my coffee up. Cheers. Making vegan condensed milk. You just need 1 can of coconut milk. Ooh, that looks nice and creamy. And 1/3 of a cup of sugar. Now I'm going to put that on and I'm going to heat that to a boil. So I'm going to cook that on medium heat to a boil, and then I'll turn it down a bit, and you have to simmer it for about 40 minutes. So you have to be patient, and because it has to get thickened up. So this has been simmering for quite a while now. I just come in every 5 minutes and stir it and check on it, but it is getting thicker. You can see it's coating the spoon, and so I think this is almost done. If you want, you can add a teaspoon of vanilla. That's all totally up to you. So you can use this in your recipes, any kind of recipe that calls for condensed milk. And it keeps in the fridge for up to 10 days. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. I hope you can use it. Like and subscribe to my channel, share with your friends, leave me a comment, and I hope you have a great day. It makes just a little over 3/4 of a cup.